Well, hey everybody, this is an update on the 2015 Corvette C7R. I have the chassis done, and like my last video that I showed you, or told you, that both the bodies are in the purple pond. But I do think I have the chassis pretty much done. I do have to do some weathering on this one as well. I like the first one, I did the netting in that red. It's supposed to be black, but I had a little bit more life inside of there. These Corvette decals are actually supposed to go on the valve covers. Well, this gets glued down. It ain't one that just pops off, so you're never going to see down there. So I just put them there anyhow. I do have to do a little bit of paint here. That piece needs to be painted black. I'm going to just paint that ends there black for the opening. There is the very boring bottom on this one. It's got something white stuck to it. And then the back end, I have to do a little bit more weathering on this part. And the dash gauges and all that. The decal for the steering wheel sat down super nice, and that kind of draws me to a question that's on the side, is on the decal setting solutions. So what I know off the top of my head is about 4 different options, I mean, of setting solutions. So the ones I normally use is the Mark Fit Strong, Mark Fit Regular. I always use those too. And I've noticed that sometimes these do not do well on the real stubborn decals. So I end up getting the Micro Set and Micro Sol set. I haven't used these yet, because I haven't got to the point. And then I also bought some Mr. Mark Setter and Mr. Mark Softener. So I pretty much think these two are relatively the same. The setter you put on the bottom, and the Micro Sol set you put on the bottom, put the decal down, and then you use the softener or the Micro Sol. If I'm wrong on that, please let me know, because I have not used these yet. I do plan on using them because, like I said, this works great on some of them. It did really good on that steering wheel. I just put it on there, let it sit, let it eat away on it. But I have come across some decals. This won't even phase. And so I wanted to try something different, and so I ended up getting these two. I do know there's that one from the Weathers brand. You only can buy that from the one place, so I really haven't got that online, and the hobby shops I go to do not have that, so I haven't got to them yet. But let me know what you guys think, which one you prefer, which ones you've used, if those are better than the Tamiya ones, and let me know what you think of the Corvette chassis so far. Hopefully it won't be long, and I'll have them bodies painted, and then I'll actually be able to put all them decals on there. So hopefully you guys have a great week. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.